This is the tongue in our mouth, and it's the main body part required for the sense of taste. You can also find a watery liquid inside.
Oh, I know! That's saliva!
The primary purpose of saliva is to moisten the food we eat so that it can pass through our digestive system easily. But saliva also helps us taste the food. The food molecules get dissolved in the saliva and travel to the bumps on the tongue. These bumps are called papillae. Each papilla contains hundreds of taste buds. We have around 10,000 taste buds on our tongue, and they are replaced every 2 weeks. Groups of taste receptors are present in the taste buds. When food molecules make contact with these receptors, it sends signals to the brain. These signals help our brain figure out the taste. In fact, the taste receptors work very closely with the olfactory receptors in the nose. All 5 tastes are detected equally. However, the sides of the tongue are much more sensitive than the middle. We can study different animals with a heightened sense of taste and learn from them.
Cows have an excellent sense of taste. They have around 25,000 taste buds. As they are herbivores, their taste buds help them identify toxic or poisonous plants. Butterflies have taste receptor cells on their feet instead of their mouth. These receptors interact with the nectar when they land on a flower. This helps them decide if the food is useful to them before they start eating. Catfish have the best sense of taste in all of nature. They have around 100,000 taste receptors located all around their body. The highest concentration of these receptors is on their long whiskers.
Want to watch the full video? Sign up now and get started with your own free trial.